Hello folks, so today we'll be solving the product sales analysis 1. It is the problem number 1068 of SQL 50 series in Leetcode. So what we can observe here is we have been given two tables. One is sales table, another is product table. The description for sales table says that sale ID and year is the primary key. So here a combination of both the columns, sale ID and the year, is the primary key. Product ID is a foreign key. So if product ID is a foreign key, then it will be the primary key for the second table. So we can see clearly here that for the table product ID is the primary key, and for the table sales it is the foreign key, also known as the reference column to the product table, right? So each row of this table shows us sale on the product ID in a certain year. Okay, so this is the example. Sale ID is there, product ID is there, and year, quantity and price has also been given. Fine. Note that the price is per unit. Okay. For the second table, product ID is the primary key that we have seen already. Each row of this table indicates the product name of each product. So here only the product name is mentioned against each product ID. What does the problem statement say? It says write a solution to report the product name, year and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Fine. So we'll understand this with the help of this demonstration. So this is a sales table, this is the product table. Fine. We will be taking this table sales as table A and products as table B. So we can clearly see table A is the left table and this is the right one. Okay, so this will help you understand the query better. We'll start with the query. Select what do we need here? First we need the product name. Product name is in which table? Second table, that is product table. And what is the alias we have given for that? That is B. So we'll write B dot product name. Then what do we need? We need the year and the price. Year and price is there in the sales table, and that is the table A, right? So we'll give A dot year and A dot price. Fine. From now we'll do the join here. We will join with the help of inner join. So join from sales as A. So we have given the sales table alias A, that's why we have written A here. Inner join product, and that is the table B, right? So when we are doing the inner join here, we have to also give the on condition wherein it will match the rows with the column, the common column, right? So the common column here is product ID. Fine. And these are the, this is the primary key and this is the foreign key for that, right? So product on A dot product, A dot product ID equal to B dot product ID. So let's see. Yeah, this is done for the first test case. We'll submit it to check all the other test cases for this problem. All the 13 out of 13 test cases have been passed. Fine. So if we see properly, when we do an inner join, whatever column, whatever data is there in the common column, whatever is the common rows in both the tables, that will only be reflected in the inner join. So 100 and 200 is there in sales, and 100 and 200 and 300 also there in the products. But what is the common rows? That is 100 and 200 only. So after inner join, we are getting only 100 product ID and 200. 300 won't be appearing in this. Fine. Thank you, folks.